Now the second part of this lesson involves the shape known as the trapezium. It's a quadrilateral like the kite and the rhombus, which is to say it has 4 sides. And it looks like this here. What we can say about the trapezium is that it has one pair of parallel sides. The top and the bottom, in this case, are parallel. And we can't see anything more about it. There is a formula for the area of the trapezium. So I'm going to call this A. I'm going to call this side B here. And the last thing I'm going to do is to mark in the height of the shape. And the formula for the area of a trapezium is 1/2 of the height multiplied by A plus B. Now I could derive that formula for you, but I'm not going to do so. That's the formula that we're going to use to work out the area. Example 1 then. We want to work out the area of this shape. So nice and simple. The formula is area equals 1/2 of the height multiplied by A plus B, where A and B are the lengths of the parallel sides. So this would be A here, and this will be B. So 1/2 of 10 multiplied by 15 plus 20. 1/2 of 10 is 5, and 15 plus 20 is 35, and 5 times 35, 5 times 30 is 150, plus 25 is 175 meters squared. Second and final example, what we have here is a composite shape. I hope you can see that shape 1 is a rectangle and shape 2 is a trapezium. So let's deal with the rectangle first. Area 1, the formula is length times breadth. That should be simple enough. It's going to be 36 multiplied by 12. 36 times 12. Now, without a calculator, 10 times 36 is 360. 2 times 36 is 72. And that gives us 432 millimeters squared. Area 2. Now the formula for the area of a trapezium is 1/2 of the height multiplied by A plus B, where A plus B, A and B are the parallel sides. So let's just check. Here's the height here. That would be A. That's one of the parallel sides. I could just mark in an arrow. And the other parallel side is this one here, which is 36. So that should be simple enough. 1/2 of H, which is 8, times 10 plus 36. 4 times 46. 4 times 40 is 160. Plus 24 gives us 184 millimeters squared. And the total area is found by adding both together. So 432 plus 184. 4 and 2 is 6. 8 and 3 is 11. Put down 1, carry 1. 4 and 2 is 6. In this example, we're given the area of the trapezium and asked to find one of the missing dimensions. Now the formula is area equals 1/2 of the height times A plus B. So if this is A and this is B, we'll put the area here, so 63 equals 1/2 of h, 6 plus 12. And if we simplify, I think what I could do first of all is multiply by 2 in order to get rid of the dividing 2. So 2 times 63 is 126. Now, the 6 and the 12 add together to give us 18. So that's 18h. And the last thing we have to do is to get h on its own. We do that by dividing by 18. So h equals 126 over 18. And the answer is 7 centimetres. Fourth and final example, what we want to do is to work out the shaded area. So there are 3 shapes here. We have a rectangle, we have a triangle, and we also have a trapezium. So the area of the rectangle that's length times breadth. So 15 times 8. 8 tens are 80, 8 fives are 40, that gives us 120 centimetres squared. Area of the triangle, that's 1/2 the base times the height. So 1/2 of 6. 1/2 of 6 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18 centimetres squared. And the last thing we'll do is the area of the trapezium. The formula for that is 1/2 of h a plus b. That's 1/2 of 6 times 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1/2 of 6 is 3, so it's 3 times 7, and that's 21 centimetres squared. Now, how do we work out the shaded area? So that's the area of the rectangle, which is 120, and we're going to subtract from that the area of the triangle and the area of the trapezium. Now 120 take away 18 is 102. And if we take away 21 from 102, we get 81 centimetres squared.